Welcome, retail fam and be welcome over here. As you guys know, I've changed my YouTube name to Crypto Killer. And why did I do that? Because there is some killer wheels or whatever it's called. A lot of famous YouTube influencers are doing a show and they decided to make it killer wheels. And every time when people go into YouTube and put in M-Wheel Killer, they'll end up seeing only vids from this killer wheels show or whatever it is. So congrats to them, but they ruined my my M-Wheel Killer search name on the YouTube bar. So that's why I changed it into Crypto Killer. So guys, that's about Crypto Killer. I also changed my banner and etc. Okay, well, welcome everyone back, and be okay over here. We're gonna do a vid today. About the markets. We're gonna do a vid about a little bit about Bitcoin, about altcoins, especially altcoins. So it will be an altcoin. Vid today, because there are a lot of questions coming in about, well, is it time to buy, is it time to not buy, and etc. So it's really going to be a very important vid for my retail fam and my subscribers, and I'm really proud of every one of you guys. I tweeted this today. It's pinned. You know, by far the best trading investing YouTube channel available, and I mean it when I say it. It's me saying it, but it's also a lot of retailers that have been subscribed, that have been watching my vids. They can confirm this. It's just, guys, these vids, everyone that watched my vids was prepared for this dump. A lot of retailers made a lot of money from the free private group. They made a lot of money shorting it. A lot of retailers, they keep DMing me. It's really incredible. If I could make a screenshot from all the DMs that I receive, it's really mind-blowing. So thank you very much. And you know, it's really mind-blowing how people, they were in huge gains. They sold their bags, they sold their altcoins, they sold their Bitcoin, and they were waiting for the dump, for the blood to buy. And especially altcoins, those that took profits and are like, they can buy. You have to see it like this. Some altcoins, they dumped by 50%. So what does that mean? For the same money, they can now double the amount of tokens of altcoins, their favorite altcoins they want to buy. That's huge, guys. That's really huge. When people like that bought in and made huge gains on GLMR, on Cody, they sold it, they can buy now the double amount of tokens. Can you even start to imagine how much money that is? That's huge money. That's a lot of money. And that's what people need to watch. That's content, crypto content, that they need. They need someone to explain them the dangers of trading crypto, investing in crypto, and how to manage to protect their money and at the same time make the max gains. Because I've been explaining you guys the past months, weeks, it's not about making gains in crypto, it's about not losing money. And when you don't lose money, you will automatically make a lot of money. That's just how it is. That's how it works. So if you stop focusing on how to make money and start focusing on how to not lose money, you will be better than any trader, investor in crypto out there. Because when you focus on not losing money, you will be making a lot of money. And there were some members yesterday from the free private. They have been shorting a lot of meme coins, just like my vid that I shared. Let me show it over here. Because guys, I made a vid about this today, and really listen. First of all, crypto crash. The Bitcoin's imminent crash. So in my opinion, we didn't even see crash on Bitcoin. But it's the altcoins that really crash. But this vid is about, you can see 1K views. I think that this is by far the best vid made by any crypto content creator past month. So if you didn't watch this, go watch this vid. And you know, You can go on. This vid is also one of the most. It got 540 views. It's ridiculous, by the way, 540 and 1K views. But these are, guys, these are real views and real subscribers, because you have to see it like this. Like more than 90% of YouTube content creators, a lot of them, they buy views and they buy subscribers and they buy comments. Just that you know. That's that you know. They buy them. You can't imagine how much offers I've been getting from a lot of people. We can get you 10K subscribers for an X amount of money, and I can tell you, it's not a lot of money. For me, it's change money. I can buy myself 10K subscribers. I can buy myself 1,000 likes. I can buy myself. You just can buy that. It's all out there. But this, all the views, these are real people. These are people that are just wanting to watch it. Over here also shorting meme coins. This was the cult. Was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago until now, almost all meme coins are 50% lower than they were. So just imagine the gains made by people that acted based on this vid. And I can keep going on forever like this. I can keep going on forever like this. The week's tutorial also, guys, if you didn't watch it, go watch it. So let me head back to the charts. So yesterday what we did in the free private, because I didn't have the time to do a market update yesterday, so I did only the week's tutorial, but I did make a voice message in the free private. It was this one. And I can tell you guys, everything I said in this message worked out into perfection. And a lot of retailers, especially from the free private, they made a lot of money trading exactly what I explained over here. As you guys can see, salute. So salute to you guys. So now let's head back into the chart. So I shared this chart like 2-3 days ago. We had this one. It went down, it came up, retested it, and then came down. So we lost this flag. Over here, this was the red zone that I was on, because why? When we had this dump, we probably need to come back to retest it. So let me explain you guys a bit better with the indicator. You see this indicator? This indicator does its thing. On the daily, that's what I explained also. What I was afraid for, we lost the daily, and guys, it was a long time ago that we lost that daily. It was from January. We lost the first time we lost the daily. We sort of lost it, but this was just on OKX. On other exchanges, we didn't lose it. So here also. So this based on what exchange you're trading, but we didn't lose it over here. So this is when we really, this candle we really lost. So we lost this line over here, and we also lost the indicator. But we have been buying a lot of buy orders get hit over here on our buy orders on altcoins. So that's fine. So we bought the blood. This is exactly what I mean by buy the blood. So we bought the blood over here. But this is what I was warning my my retail fam yesterday in the free private about. Guys, we could head into a bearish retest, and that's something very dangerous to keep an eye on. And that was over here when we hit this one. So this one, I also shared this on X. When we lost it, it doesn't mean that we are just going down in one line. It just don't work like that in trading and investing. The Indy got lost. Most of the times what you're gonna see a bearish retest, and from a bearish retest you get rejected, and that's when you come down. So that's what I explained yesterday in that voice message, and now I'm visualizing it with the chart on it. So what I want to explain you guys over here is this. We lost the Indy, we came back, we retested it, and we got rejected and we came down. And this is over here, this is also what I said yesterday in the voice message. The buy orders that have been filled over here, I will take some off the table. I will take profits, because these are guys, it's profits like 20%, 28%, 17%, 80%, 9%. It's a lot of money. And you know, I love to take the damn profits. That's just who I am, what I am. I'm a gain trader. I love selling green. I just love to sell in green. You know, when I see profits, I get greedy. That's when to be greedy. Be greedy when you're in profits. That's when you have to be greedy. Greedy on, wait a minute, maybe it's time to take some off the table. Maybe, why? Now the question is, why would you take some off the table? Why? Because it's not just working like, oh, let's just take some profits. No, you do it based on pure TA. And that's what I also explained in that voice message. We came back. We will get probably rejected. So that's why I took profits and took some off the table. And I can buy in those same coins that I sold over here. I can buy in at a 15-20% discount at this moment. So if I want to buy now, I can buy now. And I gained myself a lot of money. So without even shorting, I'm already in huge profits, because that's also something that retailers just don't seem to understand. When you take profits and you hold cash and prices plummet down 10-20% and you can buy in at a discount of 20%, that's also profits you made. You also made profits. Only those profits, you will not see it now. You will see it when the price keeps runs up again, and that's when those profits will double up. Understand this. So for now, what am I eyeing now? What is next? MB? Well, first of all, the profits that I took over here, I started buying in slowly, very slowly, some altcoins that have gotten rejected again. So, but for now, the thesis is very simple. Also shared it yesterday in the free private. For now, we have to be bearish, and there's nothing else in between. So for now, we have to be bearish. And why should we be bearish? Because I'm gonna explain you exactly why we should be bearish now. When we went up the indicator and we're traveling above it, I was every time warning you for the dangers, but I was also telling you over and over again, as long as we are above the Indy, we have to remain bullish. And as you guys can see, we went up it, retest, up, up. But now we lost it. So now we have to be very cautious until we will see on the charts that the bulls are back. And as long as the bulls are not back, we have to remain bearish. And by bearish, I mean that you need to be defensive. And to my free private traders on weeks and OKX, it's the same when you're trading, scalping on leverage. Just as you were bullish over here and you're opening a lot of longs on any retest, you have to be bearish here and open up shorts. Open up the short. Don't be afraid, because a lot of retailers, they are afraid. They think to themselves, wait a minute, but this coin already dumped so much, so I don't dare to short it because it can't go any lower. You know, it's the same like on the upside. When it goes up, a lot of people will think, wait a minute, we can't go any higher than this. We can't go any, it already went very high. And then what they do, they go above the indicator, start shorting the coin, and when they short the coin, they get totally wrecked on the next rise up. You get my point here? Try to understand what I'm saying now here. You have to be bearish based on what you see on the charts, and I'm giving you the tools to determine that. So if this thing will head into the indicator, just like over here, you see when it over here came down, this is where you have to be bullish. This is where you have to be bullish, because we made a rise up, came back to the Indy, be bullish over here. And it's the same on the other side. We lost it, we came back to it. Over here is, you have to have the guts and the balls to put in the money and just short the shit out of it, because the chart is showing you that. And some have the guts and don't have the emotions that overrule them, and they short the shit out of this, and it gets rejected, and they make a lot of money. They make a lot of money. And you know, that's why I keep repeating myself. Don't be greedy. Don't have emotions. Just trade based on what you see, because these wheels, these market makers, they have no feelings. It's all about money, money, money. They don't care about anything. They care about making money, and this is so. Congrats to everyone in the free private that listened to my voice message yesterday, and they shorted this. And guys, only this small move down, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money when you're shorting on leverage, and that's what I keep educating these guys. And the detailed trading course vid is coming, guys. It's coming. So that's about Bitcoin. For now, Bitcoin, we've got this box over here. We've got the India over here. So for now, what is it going to do? But let me now explain something what I've been teaching you guys past days. Because to open up a short over here, the chart is showing us to short it, but it's not only about the indicator and about Bitcoin. You have to see the bigger picture to get more confirmation and confidence to higher up the amount of money that you're going to short. You need some help. Okay, I've got 10K. I'm gonna short 10K. No, wait a minute. Let us see the other one. I also explained this yesterday in my voice message. Look at it. Look at this. It's ridiculous. Look at this. This is the US 500. Look at this. What have I been teaching you guys past weeks? Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. So if you want to get a feeling from where Bitcoin, you have to combine the charts, combine the TA. How do you guys think I keep nailing all my predictions and keep nailing all my targets and keep making sick gains on every move before it even happened? It's because I combine those charts together. I see the bigger picture. I see the circle. And I know there's something in your mind like right now, wait a minute, MB, but wait a minute. You keep nailing those things, and I've been watching like 10, 20, 30 crypto gurus, content creators, and they never talk about this, and they never show us this. So it will probably be nothing. Yeah, it probably be nothing, because they are wrecked and we are making sick gains while the market is bleeding. So while all the retailers are losing like 50, 40, 30, 60% of their portfolio, we are making freaking gains. How is that even possible? You know how that's possible? Dedication, education. That's how it's possible. So now it's time for you guys, if you didn't put on the 1.25 speed, put it on, or the 1.5 speed, because it's going to be a long vid today. And while you're doing it, push on the like and leave a comment below. Please, for the algorithm, help me grow my YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds and then we're going to start again. Thank you, retail fan. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Much, much appreciated. It will keep me going. It keep me growing. It will do. We're taking it step by step, but we will get there. We will get there. I know for sure that we will get there. So now the big question is, let me put it on the weekly. Aha. Well, the magnet is going on. So the next level for the US 500, the real test is going to get over here at 49.50. But we also got the previous high. The previous high is over here. You see? Put on a lot. Why is my crosshair not showing? So you see, it's almost perfectly with the indicator together. It's really, this is mind-blowing. So the magnet, when this happens, the magnet will be even stronger. So for now, if this thing comes to the indicator, this could be, listen good what I'm saying now, this could be a very good buying opportunity from the wrecked altcoins. A very good buying opportunity. Could it go much lower? Yes, it could even go to the previous all-time high. So this would also be, so everything in this box, I will get greedy buying in wrecked altcoins. And we're gonna talk about those altcoins in a moment. So guys, this is what I'm eyeing here. And really Bitcoin is very strong. Let's just, you know, for the bulls' sake, Bitcoin is very strong. Agreed. Bitcoin is very strong and it's showing a lot of power. But it will not change my mind. Let me put on the weekly indicator. It will not change my mind. I want this thing to come back to the indicator just like the US 500. And Bitcoin is very volatile. Bitcoin can make big dumps out of nothing. To shake out a lot of retailers and etc. So, you know, my opinion stays the same. I want Bitcoin between 55 and 50k, or maybe even 48k. It doesn't matter. For me, it's all the same. It doesn't matter if it comes to the 48 or the 54, 53. Everything over here is for me a very strong buy. A very strong buy. So this could dump out of the sudden very fast, because if we lose the 60k level, it could go very fast. And you know, everything 55, 54, 53, I don't care. And by the way, guys, I'm not going to buy any Bitcoin. I'm going to buy altcoins, super wrecked altcoins, good, fundamental, strong altcoins. I will buy those. Those are the ones that I'm interested in. Just for my spot portfolio or for trading portfolio, I will be eyeing anything that's showing strength at that moment. That's when in the free private, I will be sharing like 10, 20 charts in a day from potential longs that we could make and make a lot of money. By the way, for the people indicator and the free private, because somehow a lot of new viewers are coming in on a daily basis. If you want to join us, if you want to join the free private, it's a free private, just exactly as I'm saying, free private. Because there was one retailer telling me, or whatever. Well, free private. This indicator is also free, so it's free. I never ask money from any retailer, never. So if you got some DM from some scammer using my profile pic or whatever, that's not me, because I'll never ask you for money. So if you want to join us, you have to be trading on weeks or OKX. There are links below, so go over there. The description is also telling you exactly how to join the free private group if you want to be educated into a real trader. And I've done also something new. I'm going to do Skype meetings with 3 retail members and give them some personal navigation through how to become a trader. So if you want to join us, it's free. You don't have to pay anyway. It's no paid program. The only requirement from the team is that you trade on weeks or you trade on OKX. So if you like to trade non-KYC, weeks is the way to go. If you want to trade on a top 3 exchange in the world, OKX, link is below. So that's how you get access. You DM me your UID number on X. I will check it. The team checks if your trading volume is good and your deposit funds are over there, and that's when I will add you to the group. So a lot of great things are coming into the free private. Just patience, please, patience. So for now, these are the levels that I'm eyeing, and I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for now. And if something happens, follow me on X. I will tell you on X. When I change my mind, when I see something, because you know, nobody can predict the future. These are just probabilities. Nothing more, nothing less. If anything changes in the meanwhile, we change our course also. Because what are we doing? We're making money, and we're not over here to say that we predicted the top, we predicted the bottom, we predicted this. No. Although I am predicting a lot of shit lately, but we are in here to make money. So if anything changes, I'll be the first one to say that I changed course, we're going this way. So now it's time for altcoins, altcoins. Are you seeing that almost 57%? Yes, I predicted that. So if you're wrecked, if you're watching this vid now, and you're wrecked on your altcoin portfolio, I said this. I said, guys, we're going probably to the 57, and that's when you can buy altcoins. And that's exactly what we did. I said it when we were over here. I said, listen, this thing needs to come to the 57 regions. And when it comes to the 57 regions, that's when I will be interested in buying altcoins. And that's also when this is where our altcoin buy orders have gone and hit just like shit when this thing went to 57. It's, guys, it's, you know, it's It's exactly like I shared it. I know if this is your first vid that you're watching, you'll probably, okay, this guy is probably a scammer. He's just saying, no. Before you call me a scammer, watch my previous vids. Put it on 1.5 or 2.0 speed and just watch them. Just scroll through them. Just go watch them. Go just 1 week back or 2 weeks back and start watching those vids, and at the same time see what is happening now. You will see someone telling you, predicting the future just 1 or 2 weeks before it happened. Just go watch them. So now guys, what are we watching? We hit the 57. At the 57, I really hope that this was the end. I hope that this was the end. I really hope that this thing will not come above 57. I hope that this thing will dump down. So what does this mean? This means that this is bullish for altcoins. If this thing breaks above it, let me put on my alarm, by the way, guys. So let me put on alarm over here. This thing, I hope that this was the local top, the temporary top for Bitcoin, because we had the spot ETF of Hong Kong also happened. So for now, this liquidation zone, I've been talking about this 57 from here, by the way, guys, and we finally hit it. So this is super bullish for altcoins, but you have to understand this. Bitcoin dominance could dump down, but it could also mean that altcoins will also dump down. So if this thing comes down, it doesn't mean that altcoins are going up. Because that's also something that a lot of retailers think. They think, oh, dominance is coming down, so that means that altcoins will go up. No, the only thing that this chart is showing us, it's showing us the money, the USDT that's in Bitcoin against Ethereum and all the other altcoins. So if Bitcoin starts dumping down, this thing could go down, but either way, the altcoins value against USDT or USDC, whatever, or USD will also come down. So this is just showing us that the money from Bitcoin will flow into altcoins. So altcoins will be stronger than Bitcoin. And that's something that I'm like. So we hit our 57% that I've been talking about a lot of times. So now we're going into some altcoins that we have been talking about, and yeah, well, what to do and what to think and etc. So let me go to my list of altcoins. Where are you? Where are you, my altcoins? Where are you my altcoins? Let me. I'm going to show just some random altcoins, guys. Just so randomly are altcoins. Let me first of all start with Cody. Cody, well, the chart has been here. It never changed, and well, you're seeing what I'm seeing, guys. Cody, I've already gotten hit. I took some off the table when it yesterday, just like shared. But you know, Cody, if it comes back into this box, wait a minute, guys. I really want to check. The Cody. You remember when I was talking to 79 million market cap Cody? You remember that? And when I was telling you have to buy Cody, it's one of the best coins to buy on this low ranges. And we made these sick gains going up. You remember that? Well, it's at 174 million. So it's not at the region of the 79. I really want this thing to come back to the 0. Let me just say, I want it to come back between 0.8, 0.7. I need it to come back to the 100 million market cap regions, and that's when I will be buying a lot of Cody. So that's about Cody, guys. And let me show you guys also, we perfectly went into this zone against Bitcoin. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? You remember when I was telling you I need a nice double, and then boom, we go up. Well, we already hit this zone. This was, you see this was exactly when it was at that 57 region. So it needs to chop around, pop around, chop around, chop around, and then at some point make this move up, and then I will be in. So I really need Bitcoin to come down first. Bitcoin needs to come down to that 55, 50k regions. And guys, it's, in my opinion, a very good buying opportunity on a lot of altcoins. And this is one of them. So that's about Cody. Let me go to Chelo. Chelo, same story, guys. You see this up, come down, and then boom. And this is, guys, Chelo. I really want Chelo at the 60 cents, 50 cents regions. I really want it over here. I want it over here. I want it. I've got them filled on this one from here to here. Took some off the table, but I want it over here. Guys, maybe it will not happen. It could not happen. But if it happens, if the prediction comes out, it will be massive, massive buying opportunity for me. So everything 60 to 40 cents. Oh my God, I will be buying a lot of Chelo and just hodl it for the long term. Let me go to the next one. Fluxy. Flux is holding. You see this indicator there? It's holding perfectly on the indicator. Look the hits. Oh my God, this indicator is sick. Look at this over here. Boom, 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 boom. Over here again. Fluxy. Guys, Fluxy, you know Flux? I'm very, very bullish on Flux. I think that Flux is maybe not the coin that can make you the biggest gains, but it can make you the safest gains. That's what I think. That's why it's my number one altcoin, by the way. But Flux, guys, I really need this thing to come back to the 65, 60 here, over here. This is where I want it. I want it at 65 cents. Oh my God, 65 cents. Flux, guys, Flux, 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 Flux. Can't repeat myself enough. Flux. And if some black swan happens and it dumps down to this box over here, well, I don't care. I will just buy more Flux, 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 Flux. Flux, guys, Flux. Can't repeat myself enough. Let's go to the next one. Near. Near, guys. Near made this big dump down to 4.2. This was like, what was this? This was like 4 days ago. I've got them filled over here, and I took some profits yesterday. But Near, guys, Near, I'm very, very, I think that Near is one of the best investments in crypto for the coming months, year. I think that Near is one of the biggest one. I think that Near will blow a lot of. This is a big market cap, by the way, guys. So this is a big market cap. I'm really super bullish on it. This is AI related. I really, if this thing comes into my indicator at the lower, so this is 3.94 bucks. Everything $4 and lower, I will be buying, because I really don't think that Near will come back to this regions. I really don't think so. I don't think that Near will come back to this regions or this. I really don't think so. Maybe it some black at some black event, swan event, maybe even to the 250. But you know, I'm going to be greedy. You know, that's me. MB, that's why you watch my vids, that's why you follow me on Twitter, that's why you're in my free private. I am not greedy over here when all the retailers are greedy. And you know why most of the retailers are greedy over here, and they just don't dare to take profits over here, and they are super, because that's what the marketing machine wants you to be. They get into your minds, they destroy your minds by greed, and that's when you I can speak, I can share like 1,000 vids, I can share like 1,000 posts. Guys, take the damn profits, guys, take the damn profits. But I know the marketing machine is destroying me, and they are in your minds. They're telling you, listen, we're going to the moon, keep buying it over here so they can dump it on you. That's just how it works. It's just how it is. So please, guys, again and again and again and again, be patient, have patience, because now we can buy a lot of altcoins, because I'm seeing all those thumbnails, I'm seeing them in my mind. We're going to the moon, next big buying opportunity, while we were like 60% higher than now. Now is the time to buy. Now all those thumbnails, all those open mouths, I'm seeing it, I'm seeing them. And now, when I was getting like 300 views on my YouTube vids and they were getting 10k views, those 300 subscribers, they can buy those same altcoins 50-60% lower at this moment. All my subscribers and views can buy them lower. And those other 1,000, 10k, 100k retailers are wrecked right now. Super wrecked. That's the difference. Follow the trader and follow the shiller. Follow the trader and follow the shiller. This is my slogan. I will keep repeating this. Follow the trader and follow the shiller. That's just how it is. Every retailer. And guys, you can help me if you, only if you saved yourself from losing money, if you made a lot of money shorting meme coins, altcoins, if you bought in back again at 60%, 50% discount. Only these viewers that are watching now, guys, help me grow my YouTube channel, help me beat the marketing machine. Share my vids in groups, share my vids in whatever out there. If you are in any FOMO group, tell them MB predicted this, MB warned us, MB, this is the proof, this is the evidence. Go watch his vids. Just go watch them. Are you wrecked? Are you bloody? No problem. It happens to every one of us. Falling and standing up. But at least while you are wrecked, go check the one that warned you about getting wrecked and you didn't listen. Go check him out. Go check his vids. And if you'll see that he was right, and you see that he's educating you, and you see that he cares about your portfolio, follow the guy. And if you don't like it, just don't follow him. That's just how it works. So for now, near, guys, near 4.1, 4, and everything lower. It just doesn't matter. I'll just DCA buy this thing. GLMI, you know, you guys know me. GLMI, it's one of my top 5 altcoins. But either it's my top 5 altcoins. What did I say in my last vid about GLMI? I was telling you it's not looking good. It's not looking good. And when I was telling you it's not looking good, it was over here, probably somewhere around here. And look at the indicator again. This is really mind-blowing. This indicator keeps blowing my mind. If you don't own this indicator, you're really sick. Look at this. Close below it, retest, 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 retest. There was, by the way, one free in the free private group. Remember, he has been trading GLMI based on the Indy, and he was sending me sick amounts of money on short he was opening based on these trades. It's really mind-blowing. Look at this. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Came down. Rejected, rejected. Boom. It's, guys, this indicator is mind-blowing. This thing can make you so much money. If you know how to drive this indicator, you don't have to work anymore. You just have to be dedicated and educated to be very strong trading. But nevertheless, I warned you guys about GLMI is not looking good. It will probably dump a lot more. I said it in my last vid about GLMI. So what happened after it? This was a big dump, guys. 23 cents. This is madness. By the way, I've been filled over here. So I'm holding GLMI, and I didn't sell at the bounce yesterday, like I said, because why? GLMI didn't bounce. So I'm just holding, and I'm really, guys, this thing, if it will come back to this regions over here, so 20 to the 15 cent, I just will be loading up GLMI and just hold it. I just hold it. I don't care about it. I put it on my ledger. If you don't own a ledger, there's a link below. Put it on the ledger, leave it over there, and just wait. Because you have to remember that we hit. What did we hit? We hit the 74. You know what it is? 7. If you would buy in at 20 cents or at 15 cents, that's a 3-4K to just if we would come up to the previous local high, you made a 3-4x. You see how important it is to follow a trader and unfollow the shillers, because the trader is showing you buy here, sell here, and buy back in here. This is alpha. This is what retailers need to understand. This is what it's all about in this crypto game. Everything else is a lot of crap. So I will be buying a lot of GLMI over here. So let me go to my next, because I wanted to do, let me see. I want to do another one. What was it? Let me check. Bear with me a moment. The video is getting too long, but I already said that. Yes, guys. Matic. I think that the Matic time is coming. I think that Matic will make its move again. And I wanted to prepare you guys for that. So I'm going to buy some Matic. I'm planning on buying some Matic. These are the regions that let me put it in black. Why are you red? So Matic, we hit this one already, but we 50 cents and 50 cents and this one over here. So from 50 cents to 30 cents, everything at this region, I will buy some Matic. I think that Matic will make a move up. So Matic, and also against Bitcoin, guys, Matic is finally coming down. So Matic, another one. I haven't talked about this one for a very while. Chainlink. Do you guys remember Chainlink? Chainlink, yes, Chainlink. Guys, Chainlink. If Chainlink will by any means come back to this box here, I start accumulating Chainlink. So everything below 10 bucks, 11 bucks, 8 bucks, 7 bucks, it doesn't matter, just accumulate buying in Chainlink. Chainlink is a very, very safe investment wise coin to buy. So I'm really interested in Chainlink. Let me show you guys another one. And then we will close it up. There was another one that I was interested in showing you guys. Yes. Woo! Woo! My buddy Brad. Woo! I know a lot of people are very bullish on Woo over here and buying in like shit loads of Woo. I'm not buying any Woo. Woo, guys, Woo, this coin, they will pump it up. They will pump it up. And this is where I'll be interested in buying some Woo. So please, Woo, come to these regions over here. I'll be interested in buying Woo over here. So everything between 20 cents and 15 cents, I'll be buying some Woo. And while we're here, let's do another one. Why not? Let's do another one. Because why? This is when we need to be happy. This is when we need to be greedy. This is when we need to be laying down. This is our time. Now it's us. When the shilling machine was shilling all those coins and destroying X and destroying all those FOMO YouTube vids, congrats to them. Now it's our time. What other coin am I bullish on to buy in? For the ones that didn't push on the like, please. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. Leave a comment below if you like the content, and I'll be back in a moment. Thank you. Let me go to the next one. Why not? Let's just do. The video is 42 minutes. Let it go because it's about the best alpha you can find. Let me show you guys the next one that I'm eyeing. There's a one, it's at the Cosmos. Let me do my Cosmos, yes. Guys, this one, guys, I'm telling you, Neutron. Guys, we made a lot of money over here, from here to there. We made a lot of money over here, to 70 cents to there, but you know, it doesn't matter. For now, guys, Neutron. This is a pretty new coin. Guys, I'm telling you, Neutron, because this thing, you just buy and wait for it to pump. That's all there is. And look, we're now at this level over here. See this liquidity? It touched it over here. And let me put on my box, because my box will be around this level over here. So this is, guys, I really hope that we will hit the 45 cents, 50 cents regions over here until the 30 cents. Guys, I will be buying a lot of Neutron. I'm telling you, Neutron, because this is a pretty new coin, and we've got this huge pump up, and this is a very nice big, because you have to understand, this was at 2 bucks and we're now at 50 cents. It's really mind-blowing. So guys, Neutron, I'm buying Neutron, everything at 50 cents and below until the 30, 40 cents. I'll be buying a lot of Neutron. Keep that in mind. So that's about Neutron. Let me go and show you guys the next one. Why? I'm gonna do one more. Why not? Let's do one more. Let me check my lists over here, because I know that I've got a lot more altcoins to share with you guys. Oh yeah, this one I talked about it already. A0, guys, A0 at 70 cents. 70 cents over here, guys. We need this one to hit 70 cents or lower. A0, guys, A0. I keep repeating myself. A0. Keep an eye on A0. Let me see. And next one. Why not? Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let's see what do we've got over here. No, not this one. Let me see if I need a nice one for you guys. Let me see my lists over here. Yes, that one. No, not that one. That one. No, not that one. I really need the strong ones. I need the wrecked ones. I need the ones that can make us the most money. This one is one. This one, router protocol. Come back to the box. So this box already got hit. So let's remove this one. Router, everything below $2 is a big buy for me. So router below $2 is a buy for me. This is, by the way, a gem, guys, so be very careful. By the way, guys, the ones that shared me the MNW, Venry, and MDB, I will come back to those charts in a later stadium. So I will tell you guys. By the way, guys, for the ones that are interested in gaming coins, this is, in my opinion, one to buy when we hit this lower level. So peer over here, everything 3.5 to the 2.5 is a buy for me on peer. So if you're interested in gaming coins, peer, Vulcan, Vorge, that's the one I'm interested in. Okay, guys, we're gonna close it up. If you like the content, please leave a comment, push the like. For the ones that want the indicator, links are below. If you want to join the free private, everyone is welcome. We're killing it over and over again. Education, dedication, that's all it's about. If you really are enjoying this content, the only thing that I ask in return is, please guys, share the vid wherever you can. Help me grow my YouTube channel. There are some people behind the scenes working on it. We refuse to buy views, we refuse to buy subscribers, so we just want real people watching these vids. We don't want bots, we don't want those scammy comments, we just want real alpha. So please guys, share the vid as much as you can wherever you are. That's the only thing how you can thank me for my hard work. Have a nice one and bye bye.